Kaisaniemenkatu 1 in Helsinki. Staircase F. I started 7th floor because ground floor is under construction. Or this better just go to ground floor, but 2nd floor. But in 1970 and managed in 2018 VS 3219. Cemetery had rear doors before, and their rear gap also. It was amazing, but now destroyed. But still nice modernization. Three bus, so 240 kilograms. Floor. Inspected by Kone, inspected and maintained by Kone. Later staircase D has been updated by Kone with generic curl panel. Very annoying, but otherwise original important. I'm not going to film it. I have filmed it when it was original. Second floor. Staircase G has similar letter than this. I will film it now. Not smart. Always happens new Kone elevators. If you don't touch photocells for a long time and you are riding it. Staircase A has 2 times managed elevator. Otis and Schindler. Staircases B, A and C have Otis series 1. Amazing. They were ValmetSchlieren before, but still very nice. That's it.